Cause they fi go look at work, bro. Then I must have to go work, bro. The man have to go work, bro. No come here beg. Let go me shirt. Uno dirty drunk. Go look at work. So you whole Jamaica love me. Naturally, Nicki Minaj all love me too, bro. 28, 29, 30. Look on that. You sell out for that pretty than. 3 grand, bro. Then you know me, Jamaica paid it if it's true.
Boom! Let's Be Honest podcast, maddest podcast, baddest podcast, never the saddest podcast. And today, I don't even know who this person is because I can't see his face just like everybody else because I haven't seen his face. So, I don't see his face now. Today, they're blamdem, all gone.
Yeah, man.
First and foremost, who is blamdem? Go start this.
Blamdem. I just found person. You know, some of them yard boring. Sometimes I just send up on TikTok and I just send boss. I don't know how.
I just start running the app.
I just start running the app. After I stay in a real life, you know. My face here, I love cuss. And I brawling. I don't pretty up nothing. I let me deal with my family. I just start my mind. If I'm a little curve, I go to school. That's why I didn't keep me out of every high school. Because I talk my mind. And I tell all the teachers at my school, I tell my mind.
So you're born in Jamaica?
I'm born in Jamaica and I grew in Jamaica.
Mobile?
Mobile, yeah.
Which part?
Montego Bay.
Yo, I'm with the Island deal right now, but me book my ticket. I bash me I go tomorrow. I look I work drunk cry for the nana money for God bash me. Suck out to the mother. Big stinking dog, shit in a plate. Me a celebrity, look for me good.
Nicki Minaj know ya?
Nicki Minaj don't know them. I eat at them, I suck out to the mother. Look for my mad dog them. Yo, watch it up.
Green Pan, Sauce Spring, you know, Glen Devon. Yeah, all of them places. People know me, you know. All them say me I hide and them things. Nah, hide, bro. Everybody know me there.
But I mean, everybody know you who grow with you. You have a master right now.
Yeah, like, you all mobile know me. Alright. 90% of people know me this. They know me in a real life. Rolling.
So, alright, so what was it like growing up in Mobile? Because me as a man that grew up town and born a town is just like, since like 2010, me know say Mobile is like a bad man place. I'm think about Mobile, I just think about like beaches and tours.
Well, which part me grew up on badness, you know, and chopping. You know what I mean?
And then what was the house like? What siblings, mother, father, grandparents?
Yeah, me grew up with my grandmother and my mother. You see me? And my auntie them.
Okay.
Yeah, cause growing up, when I grew up, my family, the man them in our family not lucky. Them always dead. You see me? So, I like, you can count on finger the amount of man available in my family. Yeah. Cause man them lucky they are dead, you know.
So how that affect you now?
Well,
I just get used to it.
It affect me, make me smart and militant and hide and everything. That's why I not show myself and them thing because people think say because of TikTok, I not show myself, I not take picture and everything.
Yeah.
Because when I grow up, you see me, I'm skeptical, I stay in my yard. So that boy will say, oh, damn them now come out in my hide. Yeah man, me go and hide. Me live long, come live long. So
when your father fired and why your father fired?
Well, my father fired because some bad mind people, they tell bail lie upon me. Tell police lie upon me, say me do this and me do that. And nothing no go so. And that's how come I come to America, because I want a better life.
But you come to America now and it's just like, you just get worse.
No, man, you don't get worse, man.
You just like this everybody though. Because I'm telling you the first time me ever saw any video of them. Something happen and you gotta tell the person them to get up. And at first me just think it's like a joke or I want troll, but never think say, this was a real thing. But just think it's like a youth on the media that try to get clout off of one sad situation. But turns out they actually know these people.
Well, I found like a careless bad mind people a long time they want fight me, so it just like time. As I say, I talk my mind. I not pretty up nothing. Yeah. And everybody fight me from a youth, from me 14, 16 year old. They don't like me and they fight against me, so yeah, when I see things reach I'm glad.
Yeah. So you know no remorse more while? Like with certain things?
Like what do you mean?
No, like alright, let's say when an enemy them get shot or something, you like, if you like it is that thing where like you're happy or you're just not care?
I'm glad. Same like what I'm glad 50 things to reach me. I'm glad, me glad. That of course.
Yeah, John. Alright, so your name, blamdem, you get it, you call yourself that or that's been your name?
I may give myself that name there. Yeah, I know me come for blam.
Okay. And you and Jamaica, is that a case where you ever return back to Jamaica?
I mean, I go to Jamaica. I'm not ready yet to go. I have my house down there. I have my ski house and I have my vehicle them down there.
Okay.
I have my carry them down there and I have my thing them together down there. So, I soon go down. I'm not ready yet. All them, yeah. I can't go to Jamaica. I'm not ready yet to go yet. Like say, I can't go. I'm not wanted. No boy can't, I'm not going nowhere. Because 90% of them money are basically going in bad. When real things reach them, then I eat at them. So I even watch them when I see them go on and tough up themselves. Because I know what I'm capable. I know what I know. So I not watch nothing. I just live.
So you don't get scared because, I mean, yeah, you know what you're capable of, but obviously them people are bad people.
Well, they already have for me, so why what it done? Me attack. But I make people know what I go on and hold in my heart and then mad. As I say, I'm a brawling person. Me don't talk the truth, me talk. Why people know what I go on and know I fuck with them and them I go on with. Cause enough of the time them paint a good picture to the internet and then deep down them a fuck with. So me fi be the one that make it real. And me is a people person. You see me? Me want people know so me and I eat that. And some boy where them believe in and them are the eat that. So me have to make people know the truth. You see me? Me never bring down nobody and nothing. Me talk the truth. It's just the truth. Me not tell lie upon people. Me talk. You see, if me not sure of something, me not go talk it.
Yeah.
Yeah, some mistake.
Alright, so what about the other alternative now? When you come off foreign and you just stay out of the way.
Like
you just forward a foreign, let's say you end up in one state like blood clot, Minnesota. And you just say, you know, I'm just loud people, I loud everybody from Mobile, I loud all the bad mind people them from Mobile who they are trying for me. And I start a new life.
Well, me not gonna make sick of nobody, me not live my life, you know. You see me not make sick of them. And then fuck it, me I run up and down. Me I live how me want to live.
So this is how you want to live, like in our mass?
No, like as in, no, I not wear mask everywhere. When I'm in my house and I run my real dog, then I take off the mask. And not, me not roll on the mask every day.
Okay.
I just because me there up on an interview when I wear a mask.
Alright, so what about like, I don't want to be funny, but like when I squash things?
Them boy they cause harm, nothing can squash.
Okay.
You see me, then don't go down in a drain. A matter of fact, me and them then nothing. Them and themselves in a things. You see me?
So even if one day like somebody like a mutual link say, yo, what you know, bygones are bygones, we have losses from both sides, no call today.
You see how me growing in Mobile? Man bring peace to kill the enemy. When a man come to you about peace, because he want to slap you away. So don't fall for that. So that me growing and me say man tell you, come peace. And I hold you and slap you away. So me not depend that. So me prefer see it then we and avoid them. Because me and no man not you know. Me and no man then nothing. Me and everybody good. And them and themselves. You see me?
So your or the family I take this. Like them already lose.
They give up on me, so then we just check on me now and then. Then give up, they're not busy about me. They're not busy, then give up, then they go, you see me?
So you know into your family give up on you, like Mark, so what is it?
Alright, let me say then we don't get it wrong, let me say then give up on me. They need me everything about they know. Alright. When me tell you say from me as 15, enough people want to do me things, bro. From me I look at youth. When me there yard where it rough for a man, police I look for a bad man. You see me?